All right, shalom, shalom. First and foremost, I want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Rekakwadash. Divine honors to my apostles and elders at Great Millstone who do rule and teach well, and the elder bishops who do rule and teach well. All right, and peace and salutations to all you Akim out there pushing this truth across the four winds so we can seal the elect and make it to the kingdom. All right, it's the brother Uriah, Lord willing, coming back to you through the spirit and power of Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Rekakwadash. Lord willing to feed the body and edify the sheep in all spirit, faith, truth, sincerity, and doctrine. All right. As you can see on the screen, robots or AI are replacing physical labor. Okay. Robots are replacing physical labor. All right. And this is a video I came across, all right, which was shared by the elder brother Aina Allah. Okay. Right here in the Church of Great Millstone, Wisconsin. Okay. And, I started doing some digging, and this is prophetic, okay, as we're going to go into the scriptures and prove it, okay. But I'm going to play this video and a couple of other example videos as well. And Lord willing, this is edifying to the body and it feeds the sheep through the spirit and power of Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem, Kakwadash.
Now, if I don't have your attention yet, let me get you really scared. Are you ready? These are the 8 top humanoid robots that are on the market. I'm only going to focus on one. I'm going to focus on the one Figure Zero from Figure AI. Why am I focusing on them? They have contracts with the top 200 Fortune 200 companies in the world. They all have made their orders to order this robot. Not only have they put in orders, but they've also said, we want the robot to be smart, and they've given it huge amounts of data. Here's the thing. Not only do these robots have all the data from the top 200 Fortune 200 companies in the world, these robots have all the knowledge of every ChatGPT and AI ever given. That's what's inside the brains of these robots. It has the power of this intelligence of AI, plus all the knowledge of the top Fortune 200 companies, and this is being deployed this summer. It's going to affect you.
Yeah, you see? So you have these top, Fortune or top 200 companies, all right, in the world, all right, which employ millions, if not billions of people across the planet, all right, are moving towards replacing humans with humanoid robots, okay, powered by AI and flooded with data, okay, from the top AI, industries. Okay. So this is what's coming, man. Okay. And look, I know what you people are thinking, man. Okay. Well, that's just, technical jobs, that's not, hard labor jobs, man. Look, well, look, I got to inform you of something. Check this out. This is a mechanic. Okay. A humanoid robot mechanic. Okay, imagine pulling up to a mechanic shop to get your something fixed on your vehicle, and then this thing walks up. Look at that, man.
Okay.
Now, this looks like it's China, right? Remember, you got to keep an eye on China, man. Anything that happens in China first is coming over here. It's going to make its way over here to Babylon the Great, aka America. Okay. Notice at the bottom it says in 3 to 5 years, AI robots taking over all jobs, man. Okay. So it's not just going to be those technical jobs, and you people that work in Amazon, those Amazon factories and stuff, you're through. Okay. All right. They're definitely replacing you. Okay. But, soon you're going to see, these AI robots or humanoid robots. Okay. You're going to pull up to your, for you people, your 2/3 that still eat fast food. You're going to pull up to a McDonald's, man, and you're going to pull up to the window, and there's going to be a humanoid robot right there, man, telling you, oh, that'd be 9.35, you know, passing you the change, and then passing your food and saying, have a McDay, you know. This is what's coming to America, man. Okay, this is not a conspiracy theory. Okay, this is real life. All right. I got another example here. Let's see right here. Okay, open the link. All right, as you can see, it says Detroit GM. All right, Detroit GM plant replaces hundreds of workers with robots. All right, and the union is furious, man. Look, you being a part of the union, that's not going to help you in the times to come. Okay. All right, let me read a little bit of this down here. It says General Motors is facing backlash after roughly 50 collaborative robots were installed at its Factory Zero plant in Detroit, following the loss of more than 1,000 jobs tied to EV production slowdowns. Okay. Says the GM says the robots are being used to improve safety. See, and look, everything is all done. This devil performs his wickedness through his safety, right? His policy of safety. All right, and that's how he's gonna push that chip on you people as well. It's for your own safety. You know, take this mark of the beast, which is the RFID chip. All right, for your own safety. See. Says GM says the robots are being used to improve safety. All right. And efficiency. It says union leaders disagree, arguing the technology is replacing workers and threatening future jobs. Yeah. You know, and that's exactly what's going to happen. Now, I Googled this here. All right. How many jobs are expected? All right. Let me see how I said it. How many jobs are expected to be taken over by robots and AI by 2030? Okay, remember, this is their big plan. This is their 2030 plan. Okay, this is a part of their 2030 plan. All right, it says by 2030, AI and automation are projected to displace 92 million jobs globally. All right, and then it says while simultaneously creating 170 million new jobs, which is BS, man. How do we know it's BS? Because of prophecy, man. Okay, the book of Ecclesiastes, chapter 12, and verse 3 and 4, and it reads, "In the day when the keepers of the house shall tremble, and the strong men shall bow themselves, and the grinders cease, because they are few, and those that look out of the windows be darkened." Now why would it say the grinders cease? Because they are few. Okay. All right, that word grinding. All right, the word cease means to abruptly stop. Okay. And that word grinding or grinders, okay, is from the Hebrew word takan, okay, which simply means what? That being employment. Okay. You see, so your jobs. All right. And when you go into that word where it says employment, right? Or getting straight to it, unemployed, because that's what you're going to be. Okay. All right. If the grinders are going to be the grinding or the jobs or employees, all right, cease, to stop abruptly, right? Then that means you're going to be unemployed. Okay. And the word unemployed means what? All right. Unemployed of merchandise, etc., not put to use. See, not put to use, not applied to some specific purpose. Okay. And in this case, your purpose would be what? You go to work to make a living, make a financial wages, so that you can pay bills and live, take care of yourself. So a lot of people aren't going to be able to live and pay their bills, and it's gonna be crazy out here, man. Okay. It also says from employee. All right, meaning to temporarily out of work. Okay. All right. Now it was a specific one. All right. Let's see. At leisure. Look, not occupied. Okay, not occupied for unemployment. Okay, so we know what's going to happen. What's going to happen is, if you're not occupied, all right, you're unoccupied, right? Now check this out. This is the book of Second Esdras, chapter 16 and verse 68, because they're going to bring that. What is that called? Man, I keep forgetting the name of it. But they're going to be, handing out these all your social credit scores, right, and monthly allowances. All right, they're going to create a program to hand it out, and guess what? It won't be distributed to you people in USD, which is the United States dollar. Okay, because the dollar is going to be dead and gone. You know, it's going to be through that new system, or that new currency, which is the central bank digital currency. Okay, which is going to connect to the chip. That's how they're going to distribute these monthly allowances, man. Okay, we'll give everybody $1,000 a month. You don't have to work, you know, because you can't work, right? You don't have to work. You can sit at home, and just receive these monthly allowances. You see, Second Esdras chapter 16, verse 68. For behold, the burning wrath of a great multitude is kindled over you. All right, that's this devil's army. All right, and they shall take away certain of you. And look, going back to that great multitude, or that burning wrath of a great multitude being Esau's army. Don't forget that the U.S. Army and the IDF soldiers are now joined to one. Okay, and those IDF soldiers hate you Americans, man. All right, so that's going to be a part of that burning wrath, that anger that these soldiers are going to have against you, modern day Egyptians, man. Okay, you Americans. All right, it says, and they shall take away certain of you and feed you, being idle with things offered unto idols, man. Okay. Now check this out. And we know that that thing that they're going to offer you people are going to be, is going to be his mark. Okay. Spoken about or prophesied about in the book of Revelation, chapter 13. All right. That mark of the beast, that charagma. All right. Which is his RFID chip. Okay. But notice it says being idle. All right. When you go into that word idle. Okay. The definition reads what? Not active, unemployed. See that? Or not being put to use. See? All right. Now going back to that word. All right. Unemployed, not occupied. Okay. Okay. So this is prophecy, man. All right. Your jobs are going to be getting taken over. All right. By humanoid robots powered by AI. Okay. You see? And these things are programmable, man. You see, and notice Esau wants to have full control over the population, man. All right, he wants to program you people the same way he programs these humanoid robots. Okay, because these humanoid robots are going to listen to every single thing that they tell them to do. Okay, but people, all right, you people have that illusion of free will. Okay, so you don't, Esau is not going to be able to tell, everybody on the planet, every human on the planet. All right, what to do, and then they're just gonna obey without any type of rebuttal. You see, so and the way he's going to actually program you people like these humanoid robots is by feeding you, all right, being idle with things offered unto idols, which is his chip. Okay, because that chip is not just going to be something that's just implanted within your forehead or underneath, your skin, all right, within your hands, your left or right hand. It's not just going to be just some type of device that you're just going to have, implanted underneath your skin or your forehead. It's going to have it's going to be He's going to be doing other things with it, and that's why it's prophesied in the scriptures that it's going to create sores, you know, which is a cancerous sore. All right, people are going to have 6G signals going through your mind and your body, sending you all types of thoughts and things like that. You people are not going to have any type of rest, man. Which this isn't our rest, being over here in Babylon the Great underneath the captivity or the hands of our enemies. Okay. Our rest is going to be the kingdom of heaven. Okay. Right now, this heaven that we're in, this kingdom of heaven, it belongs to the devil, man. All right. The nation of Esau, Edom. Okay. But even this little illusion of rest that you people get on a day-to-day basis, man, that's going to be taken away once you receive his mark. Okay. So unemployment, okay, at a high rate is coming to America, man. Okay. Play one more video. And like, you would think that this is an AI video. You would think that this is an AI video, man. But what does this remind you of, man? All right, that movie, I, Robot. Okay, I don't know if you remember that movie with starring Will Smith, right? It came out in 2004. They call it a science fiction movie. This is just entertainment. This has never happened. Well, we're seeing it happen. Look at this. Look at all these robots. All right, marching and look at that. And guess what? They had a mind of their own, man. Don't be surprised if Esau, starts arming these robots or these humanoid robots, with weapons, and a certain high technology used to put to use force against the people, man. Okay. Because like I mentioned earlier, these robots are going to be programmed to do everything that these elites say. Okay. Which includes Amalek, the small hats over there living in the land promised to our forefathers, the land of Israel. Those people, okay, who do rule in America, man. Okay. Do your research. Okay. But this reminds you of this movie, man. Okay.
Guys, Google, Amazon.
Okay. I hate when it does that. Let's check this out again. Imagine waking up. Okay. Imagine waking up early in the morning to the rumblings, all right, of, a million footsteps. All right. A million humanoid robot footsteps. You look out your window and you see this, and then you walk out to your porch and they all stop and turn to you and say he could get back in your house, or we will be forced to use force against you. This is what's coming, man. This is not a science fiction, movie. This is not what people call conspiracy theory, man. Okay. All of those things that people were calling conspiracy theories about, 5, 10, 15, 20 years ago. Okay. Are all reality today. Okay. And guess what? There's more to come, man. Okay. Because the men of the Lord are on the highways and hedges and been on the highways and hedges prophesying what's going to happen before it happens. What you're seeing right now is a result of that. Okay. And there's more to come. Okay. So I'm going to leave it there. Lord willing, this is edifying to the body and the fat, the sheep, through the spirit and power of Yahweh, by Hashem Yahushai, by Hashem Rechak Wadash, Shalom, and Abba Babal.